If you want to edit slow motion videos on Realme GT 8 Pro, then first of all, let's go to our gallery. And over here, we're gonna try to open the video that we want to edit. Let's actually go to albums, let's go to video. And over here, I have my slow motion video. Now in this case, in order to edit the slow motion video, we can tap on this pen at the bottom of the screen. And we need to import it. And there we go. Now in here we can find a bunch of different options, like we can change the speed, we can also apply a curve instead. But unfortunately you will notice that there is no option that would allow you to, for example, to manually adjust the area that should be in slow motion. This is like a huge drawback, unfortunately. But in terms of the rest of the things that we have available in here, then of course we can also apply music. We can use a text over here, we can make some additional adjustments, but they are related to the image itself rather than, for example, the slow motion effect. We have some filters and so on and so forth, or even here we can adjust the frame and even apply a background apparently. I'm not sure how it works exactly, but there it is. So once you are done with editing, you can just simply tap on save in the upper right corner, and then of course your edited video will be saved. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.